Hello everyone, and welcome to GDPR Training by Complico, Module 11, Accountability. In this module, we will explore one of the most important principles under the General Data Protection Regulation, accountability. Accountability is not just about complying with data protection rules, it is about being able to demonstrate that you comply. By the end of this session, you will understand what accountability means under GDPR, why it matters, what your responsibilities are, how AIM demonstrates compliance. What is accountability? The organization is responsible for, and must be able to demonstrate compliance with, data protection principles. This means, compliance is not optional, evidence is required, documentation is essential, it is not enough to do the right thing. We must prove we are doing the right thing. The 7 GDPR Principles, reminder. Accountability applies to all GDPR principles: lawfulness, fairness and transparency. Purpose limitation, data minimization, accuracy, storage limitation, integrity and confidentiality. Accountability. What does accountability look like at Complico? Clear policies and procedures, data protection policy, information security policy, data retention schedule, incident response plan. Checkmark defined roles and responsibilities. Senior management oversight, appointed data protection lead, DPO, where applicable, staff responsibilities. Checkmark staff training. Regular GDPR and information security training ensures everyone understands how to handle personal data, how to recognize a data breach, when to escalate concerns. Demonstrating compliance. To demonstrate accountability, organizations should maintain records of processing activities, ROPA, conduct data protection impact assessments, DPIAs, where required. Implement appropriate technical and organizational measures. Appoint a data protection officer, DPO, if required. Train staff regularly. Monitor compliance continuously. Policies and procedures. Strong internal governance supports accountability. This includes data protection policies, information security policies, data retention schedules, incident response procedures, subject access request procedures. Policies must not just exist, they must be up to date, communicated to staff, actively followed. Risk-based approach. The GDPR promotes a risk-based approach. This means organizations must assess risks to individuals' rights and freedoms, implement controls proportionate to the level of risk, review and update controls regularly. Role of management. Accountability starts at the top. Senior leadership must support data protection culture, allocate resources, ensure compliance monitoring, promote transparency. Breach management and accountability. In the event of a personal data breach, accountability requires prompt identification and containment, assessment of risk, notification to the supervisory authority within 72 hours, if required, notification to affected individuals when necessary, documentation of the breach and response. Thank you for completing Module 11, Accountability. Remember, good data protection is not just about avoiding fines, it's about protecting individuals' rights and maintaining trust. In the next module, we will continue building on these principles to strengthen our GDPR compliance framework.